Yo guys, what's up? It's Alex from GMG Studio. Welcome to our new series, how to build a native Android OKR tracking app with Jetpack Compose and Kotlin. And the best thing is, we start from zero. So in this episode, we will set up Android Studio. I will show you some previews, how they work, and we will create the project. By the way, create a new repository if you want. I will use Git flow and I will push everything after the episode. If you want, you can do it the same. If not, you don't have to. Guys, let's start. First of all, we will download Android Studio from our official Android developer website. I will link it for you in the description. We have read everything and accept the terms and conditions. We will download it for the Mac with the Apple chips and we accept it. After downloading it, we have to drag it in the applications folder on Mac. On Windows, it will be probably very similar. It's just an installation of a program, it's not that difficult. Now it's installed and we will open it. Android Studio asked us if we want to import something, we said no, and we will use the standard install type. The UI theme is obviously dark, and these things are going to be installed. Next. And we have accept the terms and conditions, which we have read, obviously. And again. And now it's finished. I will skip the installation part because it took a while. And now we are done. Android Studio is installed. First of all, we will create a new branch because we will use Git flow on this project. We will name the branch feature/initial setup. Now we can go back to Android Studio and click on New Project. We will use an empty Compose activity because we will use Jetpack Compose on this OKR Tracking app. The name is OKR Tracking. The language is Kotlin, obviously. The minimum SDK is Android 10.0. And now we created a new Android project. This is our main activity. And our project is still loading. Now we will run the application so we can see if everything works fine, and it does. Let's press build and it should work. Now we can see the preview. Let's close it and look at the preview. You can see there are three things: the main activity, the composable, which is a func greeting, which is a view, which takes a name string and shows text hello name, and the preview. The preview is a composable and the preview is what's shown on the right hand side. And it shows the name, and because there's a preview in the main activity and we show the preview on the right hand side, it doesn't change from Android to Alex. If we want to change it, we have to go down to a preview and change the greeting from Android to, let's say, not Alex, so we can see what it's actually showing. It doesn't refresh automatically, so we will press the button and it should work. It takes a bunch of time, pretty long, for like that small view, but maybe this is just at the beginning. It should be faster afterwards. And you can see it says hello, not Alex. This is very nice if you're building UI for a new app or if you change something. And if we set show background to false, the background disappears and we have a transparent view, which is actually very nice. This is amazing if you want to build UIs, if you want to build a new app. You are so fast if you know how to use previews. I really like it on Swift and I really like it on Android. Guys, this was it. This was our first video of this series, how to build a native Android OKR tracking app with Jetpack Compose and Kotlin. In the next video, we will already talk about something really important, how to structure an app and why you shouldn't do everything in one app. Guys, stay tuned. Like the video if you liked the video, dislike the video if you disliked the video, subscribe if you want to be notified on our future content. We are also on Instagram and Facebook. Feel free to follow us there as well. And have a great day. Start creating, stop consuming.